and then you get to the pier, and I'll show you something we're gonna do in a couple of videos from now, probably. But it's the end of Route 66, which is marked up there, right up that part over there. Let me take you there. And then there are specific parks.
Forget them.
See that? Gonna try taking out a picture right there. $20, $24. Nothing going on right there. Wow. These squirrels are so used to people, they don't even run away. Like, they all fine and, you know, chilling out here.